I only spent $50. Transforming an abandoned passageway of less than 5 square meters. Transforming it into a small log-style attic room. What kind of experience is it? So that's what it looks like. I renovated it into this abandoned passageway. A 5 square meter tiny space. Transformed little by little. My heart is filled with a sense of accomplishment. Every refurbished item is infused with care. The more I look at the overall effect, the more I like it. However, a few days later, the color of the doors and window frames. It lacks a bit of vitality. So I plan to design a color scheme for it. Make the color tones more consistent. A more pure atmosphere. Today's get to work. My power strip has a minor issue as well. The design is flawed. When I have an electricity demand, I can't use both power strip outlets at once. As a result, I have to use an additional power strip. So, today I resolved it once and for all. Sometimes, a small change or adjustment. It can make the entire home even more comfortable. The little joys of life. It lies hidden precisely within this heartfelt, devoted cultivation of beauty.